On January 1st, anything is possible. You can be anything, do anything, try something new. In a new city, in a new studio, start over and try again. This year is going to be different. Welcome to my new space. My goal for the year alongside my day job is to make 12 YouTube videos, one per month, to document this journey that I'm on, 3D printing products and selling them to people on the internet. I've really enjoyed the process so far and I want to keep doing this, so I'm trying to make time for it. And you're gonna have to work with me while I figure out how to do this in my new space, as I don't have a ton of time for this channel yet, but I'm trying to make more. And with that, the very first thing I'm gonna design and print is a new holder for my soldering iron, because it's currently taped together. So I've got my 3/8 27, and let's see if it threads on. Oh, it does. That is wonderful. Now we pull. All right. On the list for today is something simple that has to do with organization. So this is my key fob for the building. This is a key that I only use when I'm here, and this is an elevator key that I don't really use. And these are three things that sit on my printer that don't have a home that I'm going to build one for right beside my key holder. So let's jump in Fusion 360 and figure this out. Next up, I want to put some stuff on this wall that I often use at this workbench, grabbing different things constantly, so we're going to build that out next. I made a few other random things at home that I didn't end up filming, but I honestly spent most of my spare time fixing my 3D printers, which is very frustrating. I had to order new parts, wait like a week and a half for them to get in, and I sell a couple products on Etsy, so I had to get those back up and running so that I could keep fulfilling my orders. I love my X Plus and X Plus 2, but they are not as reliable as I was hoping they would be. But that's the way 3D printing goes. So on the docket for today is we're building a shelf. I bought a shelf from Uline, and the goal with this shelf is two main things. One, to make it quieter so that the fans and the noise from the 3D printers don't drive me insane when I'm editing and working. And two, to just lessen the amount of fumes and VOCs in the air. To do this, I purchased 2 sheets of plywood and 2 sheets of Sonopan, and I'm gonna stick them together and make a wall/door so that I can keep working on my printers and access everything, but still make it quieter. Honestly, not sure how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a try and see how it is. I also designed and printed a few fan adapters for this shelving system, but I'm definitely gonna redo these as I wanna move the fans into a different spot. This is the sound before. After running out of patience for my 3D printers, I made a big decision. It's time for an upgrade. Yep, you probably guessed it, the Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon with the AMS. The next chapter has officially begun, and I'm really excited to try out some multi-material stuff and multicolored prints. I think there's a lot of potential there. Out with the old, in with the new. As I finished setting up the printer, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe as it started to load the film in itself, purge, cut, wipe, calibrate, change colors, all on its own. I remember it like it was yesterday, watching my Ender 3 finally lay down its perfect first layer after spending days trying to get it to work right. It almost feels wrong how easy this is. But I really feel like anything is possible now.